before understanding the concepts of the subject, it is most important to understand that how the subject has been immersed in entire human society and how the subject is helpful or say significance of the subject to grow the human society, to grow the nation, to grow the economical benefits of the entire world. And when we are talking about the accounts, it is the most important subject from the viewpoint of not only commerce, with the viewpoint of every single individual who is connected with family, society, or nation. The subject itself having brief versatilities that we cannot find any other subject of the entire world. Before starting accountancy, we have to understand the different part of accounts. The different part of accounts. So when we are talking about the accountancy or the subject accounts, the full name of the subject is elements of accountancy. What is the full name of the subject? Elements of accountancy. And these elements of accountancy have been divided in a different branches. It's just like a banyan tree. It's just like a what? Banyan tree. And this banyan tree having a lot of branches. Having what? A lot of branches. But look at, when every tree or every seed sprouts, they have only two leaves. They have what? Only two leaves in that trunk. And after that two leaves, there has been a lot of branches of this tree in accountancy. So when we are talking about these branches in accountancy, we have specifically two kind of branches. We have specifically what? Two kind of branches. The one is called bookkeeping. The one is called what? Bookkeeping. And the other one is called accounting. Mohammed, stop annotation. Mohammed, please stop annotation. Mohammed, please stop annotation. If you have a problem, you can write in chat box. If you have any problem or question, you can write in a chat box. So we are talking about two branches of accountancy. That is one is bookkeeping and another is accounting. Bookkeeping is understand as primary source. Understandable as what? Primary sources. And accounting is called secondary or collective part. Now, what is this primary and secondary or collective? So, have you ever studied the chapter data collection? Have you ever studied the chapter data collection? I'm asking to you guys, you have to reply me in chat box. Have you ever studied the chapter data collection? Okay. Uh, have you ever studied the chapter of tally marks in your mathematics? Have you ever studied the chapter of tally marks in your mathematics? Okay, Arpita said yes. So these tally marks is nothing but collection of data. Is nothing but what? Collection of data. So when we are collecting the data, we have two kind of data: primary sources and secondary. When we collected in a row form, when we collected in a what? Row form, or primarily when we are collected the data, we can say it primary source. And after collecting this raw material of data, we put them in different groups, we analyze them, we summarize them, or we classified them in a different group, different stages, different criterias. Okay, applying some of the principles, applying some of the rules and regulations, apply some of the scientific methods to bifurcate them. We are calling what we get the resulted as a secondary data or as a collective part of our primary sources. So when we are talking about the accountancy, we have two major branches. The first one is bookkeeping and the second one is accounting. Both have different ideologies, both have different kind of scenarios, but they both are intra-related. They both are what? Intra-related. They are connected with each other. They are connected with what? Each other. ये एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. दोनों के जो सब्जेक्टिव मैटर्स है वो डिफरेंट है. दोनों के जो सब्जेक्टिव नॉलेज है वो डिफरेंट है, मेथड्स डिफरेंट है, टर्मिनोलॉजीज डिफरेंट है, लेकिन फिर भी दोनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, कनेक्टेड है, इंट्रा रिलेशन है. बिकॉज without primary data collection or without primary sources of information, you cannot go beyond on secondary sources or collective data. So when we are talking about the bookkeeping, bookkeeping is called process. Bookkeeping is called what? Process. Sorry, bookkeeping is called what? Process. ये एक प्रोसेस है. ये क्या है? एक प्रोसेस. कैसी प्रोसेस है? तो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शंस, मैं वर्ड यूज करूंगा ट्रांजेक्शंस. कौन सा वर्ड यूज करूंगा? ट्रांजेक्शंस. जर्नल्स, ledgers and subsidiary books, trial balance. These are the knotting part. These are what? noting part of bookkeeping. These are what? Noting part. These are what? Noting part of bookkeeping. If we are going to the secondary part, as we have discussed, a number of sub branches, a number of what? Sub branches in accounting. Just like costing, advance, taxation, finance, audit, and more. Number of sub branches. Number of what? Sub branches. Number of what? Sub branches. Look at where we start. We start from elements of accountancy. The subject account has a two portion. First is bookkeeping, another is accounting. Bookkeeping is a primary source. Accounting is a secondary source. When we are talking about the transaction, when we are talking about what? Transaction, we have noting part of journals, ledgers, subsidiary books, trial balance. And when we are talking about accounting, the number of sub branches, number of subjects like costing, advanced accountancy, financial management, auditing, taxation, etc., will come there. एक सब्जेक्ट, उसकी बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस. जैसे आप साइंस में पढ़ते हो ना कि साइंस के 3 ब्रांचेस होते हैं, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो. फिर जैसे आप जैसे केमिस्ट्री में जाते हो तो वहां पे ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक हो जाता है. बायो में जाते हो तो उसमें बॉटनी हो जाता है, माइक्रो बायो हो जाता है. फिजिक्स में जाते हो तो अप्लाइड हो जाता है. डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस. बस सेम उसी तरीके से है कि अकाउंटेंसी की 2 ब्रांचेस है मेजर. एक बुककीपिंग है, दूसरा अकाउंटिंग है. बुककीपिंग क्या है? प्राइमरी सोर्स है. अकाउंटिंग सेकेंडरी सोर्स है. प्राइमरी सोर्सेस के अंदर ट्रांजैक्शंस, जर्नल्स, लेजर्स, सब्सिडरी बुक्स एंड ट्रायल बैलेंसेस इंक्लूडेड है. जबकि अकाउंटिंग के अंदर सेकेंडरी इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है जिसमें कॉस्टिंग, एडवांस, टैक्सेशन, फाइनेंशियल एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ ऑडिटिंग इज देयर. सो वी हैव अ कंफ्यूजन. We have what? Confusion. सर इतने सारे सब्जेक्ट हम कैसे पढ़ेंगे? Do not hesitate or get tensed. We do not have to study each and every branch of accountancy right now. As we have discussed in yesterday's meeting, if you are studied in science stream, 8, 9 and 10th is your foundation. But when you are studying in commerce stream, you can say 11, 12 commerce, or you can say foundation. Both the sentences have the same meaning. Here is your foundation work. Here is what your foundation work. And believe me, whatever I will teach you, or whatever you are studying here in accountancy, it is not for your 11th commerce only. It can be helpful to your further studies of CA, CS, MBA, BCom, MCom, whatever study you want to be choose in your future. The whole foundation work has been here. So be careful with these studies. So what is our part of 11th standard as a foundation work of accountancy? What is our part of 11th standard for the foundation of work of accountancy? So let's get into the chapters, or let's get into the 11th standard. So your 11th standard is based on the concepts of bookkeeping and some part of auditing. And some part of what? Auditing. Look at your 11th standard is what? Is your bookkeeping, a part of bookkeeping, and a very small chapter from the part of accounting, that is auditing. This is for your 11th standard. When you are coming your 12th standard, financial management will there. And when you are moving for the further studies, whether you are studying BCom, BBA, MBA, CA, CS, ICWA, or any other professional courses run by the different universities or different autonomous bodies of the entire universe, is the rest of the subjects like costing, advance, taxation, part of auditing, corporate accountancy, etc., etc., human resources accountancy, or different kind of advanced accountancies part will there. So you will study rationally the different part of accountancy till your student life of commercial streams. So these are the basic zone that what we are going to study in 11th standard. And the first portion of our 11th standard is called bookkeeping, is called what? Bookkeeping. And this is the interesting concept. This is what? Interesting concept. The concept is called what? Bookkeeping. The concept is called what? Bookkeeping. Just a minute, for I have to see the students. Patel Priya is there, Riti, Mayank, O, Margi, Arpita, and Mohammed. Okay. I'm coming to you guys. Just write in a chat box. Have you understand the concepts till right now we have studied? Have you understand the concepts till right now we have studied? Okay. Okay. I'm asking another question, that before today, have you ever tried to see the subject, or somewhere you have read some of the material for the accountancy or economics, or some of the video you have seen for economics anywhere else? Okay. Arpita, what kind of books you have gone through? NCRT or any other special materials? Arpita, I am
No, sir,
asking to you, NCRT books or any other special materials?
no, sir, I have seen while
Which
some
book,
months
beta?
ago, that is a Gujarat board.
Gujarat board books.
Some
Oh,
months ago,
okay,
I
okay.
have seen some months ago.
Okay, okay, sure. Okay. So I am clearing these things because if you have studied something, or if you have seen something, the different word, the different terminologies will there. So I don't want to make you complicated before starting, because every teacher has a different method to study. So I want to clear everything, that if you have studied or seen everything, I want to clear the things first, that what you have studied or not, and what we are going through. So those who have studied this kind of books or read, have you ever read this kind of difference of subject, that is part of bookkeeping and part of accountancy, ever? Have you read this kind of difference? Especially Arpita and Mohammad Ali, because they have seen PPTs and books. Okay, that's fine. So I am damn sure you will learn a lot of things from my side, especially as a subject, and we have to be clear the subject to up to the roots to the top of the subject. Okay, so actually we have only 10 minutes left because of the 40-minute session. Okay. We have only 10 minutes left in 40-minute session. Actually, I have set it for 60 minutes, but somehow for the technical errors, we cannot go for the 60 minutes. So we have only 30 minutes, 10 minutes left. And I don't think so. My topic bookkeeping is completed in 10 minutes. However, we are talking on some more discussion about bookkeeping. Um, so we have a topic that is bookkeeping. That is what? Bookkeeping. Look at two words. Look at here. How many words? Two words. The first word is book. And the second word is keeping. The first word is what? Book. And the second word is what? Keeping. Both are the interesting word. We can easily understand from this word or breaking this word that keeping of book, here books, mean to record. यहां पे बुक्स का मतलब क्या होता है? रिकॉर्ड. यहां पे बुक्स का मतलब क्या होता है? रिकॉर्ड. एंड व्हाट रिकॉर्ड? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिकॉर्ड? रिकॉर्ड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज. रिकॉर्ड ऑफ व्हाट? फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज. क्या रिकॉर्ड करने वाले हैं हम? फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज. और फिर उसको क्या करेंगे? कीपिंग. उसको हम क्या करने वाले हैं? कीपिंग. और यहां पे हम कीपिंग का क्या मीनिंग करेंगे? स्टोर और सेव as an evidence of activity. बहुत ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैनर में हम इस वर्ड को जब डिलीवर करते हैं, इसको ब्रेक करते हैं, तो देखते हैं कि बुक का मतलब होता है रिकॉर्ड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज और कीपिंग का मतलब होता है स्टोर और सेव एज एन एविडेंस ऑफ एक्टिविटी. यानी हम जो कोई भी फाइनेंशियल एक्टिविटीज करेंगे उसका जो रिकॉर्ड हम स्टोर करेंगे या सेव करेंगे, उस पूरी प्रोसीजर को हम क्या कहेंगे? बुक कीपिंग. उस पूरी प्रोसीजर को हम क्या कहेंगे? बुक कीपिंग. एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल मैं आपको दे रहा हूं कि अगर हम घर का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पेमेंट या पोस्टपेड पेमेंट कहीं पे करके आते हैं तो उसकी जो भी रिसिप्ट होती है वो हम क्या कर देते हैं? फाइल कर देते हैं. क्या कर देते हैं? हम फाइल कर देते हैं. तो ये जो फाइलिंग प्रोसीजर है, ये क्या है? जो फाइलिंग प्रोसीजर है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? बुक कीपिंग. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? बुक कीपिंग. अब देखो, ये फाइलिंग वैसा नहीं है जैसा हम फाइलिंग में पंच करके उसको सेव कर लेते हैं. इट्स अ सिस्टमेटिक मैनर. कल का जो हमारा लेक्चर होगा उसमें हम देखेंगे कि बुक कीपिंग किसने स्टार्ट किया, अकाउंटिंग की हिस्ट्री क्या है. इससे पहले हम स्टडी मटेरियल सेक्शन में एक फाइल आपको अलॉट करते हैं. आपको वो फाइल को क्या करना है, रीड करना है अच्छे से. वो फाइल मेरी नहीं है, मेरी खुद की लिखी हुई नहीं है, बहुत सारे ऑथर्स हैं, उनको कंबाइंड करके वो फाइल बनाई हुई है. तो आपको आज ही वो पूरी फाइल रीड करनी है. आपको आज क्या करना है, वो पूरी फाइल रीड करनी है और फिर हम उस फाइल पे कल डिस्कशन करेंगे. कल का जो हमारा लेक्चर होगा वो 45 टू 60 मिनट्स. आई एम प्रॉमिस टू यू कि कल 100% ऐसा होगा, 45 टू 60 मिनट्स होगा. और हम धीरे धीरे जूम को या जूम से बाहर निकल के हम रिग पे चले जाएंगे, क्योंकि उसके अपने बेनिफिट्स हैं. वो मेरी खुद की एप्लीकेशंस है और उसके अपने खुद के कुछ अलग बेनिफिट्स है जो मैं आपको धीरे धीरे बताता रहूंगा. आपके क्लासमेट्स जिन्होंने आज ये लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं किया है, make them sure they will attend the lecture. Before ending the session, I have some questions to you, some basic questions. So, have you enjoyed a lecture with me? Have you enjoyed the lecture with me? Just write in a chat box. Okay. If you are not enjoyed or if you are not satisfied with the lecture, you can write properly. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask the question, because a quality student is a good listener and a good क्वेश्चनर. जो क्वालिटी स्टूडेंट्स होता है वो एक अच्छा लिसनर भी होता है और वो अच्छे क्वेश्चंस भी करता है. आपके क्वेश्चंस मुझे अलर्ट करते हैं टू मेक मोर सेंसिबल लर्निंग सिस्टम. आपके क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो मुझे अलर्ट करेंगे मुझे और अच्छे से पढ़ाने के लिए. एंड आई एम नॉट गाय, ओके, हु इज अफ्रेड ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म. आप मुझे क्रिटिसाइज करोगे, इट इज माय पार्ट टू मेक माई सेल्फ मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो आपको जहां पे भी प्रॉब्लम है आप मुझे क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. इवन आफ्टर द लेक्चर हम इस लेक्चर को रिकॉर्डेड सेशन में रिग में रख देंगे. आपको इसको रिवाइज करके भी देखना हो तो आप वहां से रिवाइज करके देख सकते हैं. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी, because at sharp 8:30 we will move on the economic session. So take a rest for 10 or 15 minutes, take your breakfast, take your tea or milk, whatever you are doing routinely, and then we will start our economics. Okay guys, thank you very much. I am ending the session right now.